real cold here. Oh yo, what's up people? My name is Pilakaden here. Welcome back to my videos, and today we are not going to hike. We're not going to hike. We're going to talk about our stories. So there is this story I shared with my friends, a couple of friends, like 3 or 2, and it happened one day that when I finished my college, I didn't have something to do, so I became an Uber driver. So I used to work as a Uber driver. Maybe nishai kubeba mahali lakini hauwezi nikumbuka. Yeah, I used to operate in Nairobi. I used to live in Roysambu Lumumba Drive. Huko makeja hazinanga parking. So the parking yenye nakuanga tu ziko side ya nje. In every apartment kuna kuanga na soldier. So in every apartment there was a soldier guarding the place. So it happened one day I went to Hell's Gate. Hell's Gate is a very beautiful place. You can visit, you know. There is hot springs and you can swim there. It's a very good place to visit. So I was there and I was driving a car that I used to work with. I took my guys there and we came back normally. I parked the car mahali nilikuwa naipark tu hapo nje. Nikaingia tu kwa keja kama kawaida. Soja walikuwa hapo nini. Then kuingia kwa keja ilikuwa Sunday jioni. Then Monday nilikuwa nitoke asubuhi niingie job. So I started editing my video at night. So it push hadi kitu masaa 9 hapo usiku, and then nikalala. Then the following day niliamka kitu saa 5 hapo, nikajitayarisha wewe, nikakula breakfast, nikatoka nje. Sasa kutoka nje to the place I had parked my car, it wasn't there. It was gone. It was stolen. I was shocked. Niko na key. I have the key in my pocket. Lakini gari haiko. And actually I was confused hadi naiangalia kwa mfuko. Gosh, kwa nilipotea ni aje? Kuna kabisa fulani nilikuwa nako huko TRM Drive. So I thought ama unajua naweza kuwa na vitu zako manzi alafu iache mahali. So niliona ni kama niliacha kwa job mahali nikateremka mguu. But haikuwa hivyo. There is a lot of cars passing here and my house is just facing the road, so a lot of noise. So guys, kijani tu hivi, gari haiko, kuangalia kini niko nayo, nikarudi kijani very fast. Nikaangalia kama my extra key is there. It was there, the spare key was there, and nilikuwa nimefikiria maybe ni mtu alikuja hivi akachukua maybe my key, alafu you know something like that. But the key was there. The car was stolen. So I had to call the owner of the car. It was like a management which used to have that fleet of cars, and I told them that the car was stolen. That was so bad. I felt so irresponsible. But they told me to go to Kasarani police station to get an OB or to write a statement, and then I went there. Nikapata masoja huko Kasa. Manze ilikuwa like gari ilikuwa like usiku juu mahali nilikuwa nimepark gari kuna msee alikuja akapaka. So venye alipark gari alipark kitu saa 9 usiku mahali nilikuwa nimepark. So hiyo gari iliibiwa kutoka saa 2 ya usiku mahali ile time nilifika, na hiyo time huo mtu alikuja kupark gari yake hapo saa 9 usiku, na hiyo time bado nilikuwa na edit kwa nyumba gari ikienda. Wow, I felt so bad. So I went to Kasa, I reported. Yeah, it was like 5 hours late. They told me to go and wait, but nilisikia kuna cases zilikuwa zina happen hapo Roysambu sana kuibiwa magari, na unapark gari yako asubuhi unapata gari haiko. I tried to check on Twitter, to check on online, to see if there is similar cases and how they dealt with the cases. So I saw these two cases here. The same, they had parked their cars and it disappeared. Actually the car was very new, haikuwa imewekwa hadi tracker, so ilikuwa very hard for us to track the car. And then insurance company came, alafu akasema because the car didn't have a tracking device, they are going to deduct like